In this video, we'll explore India's commitment to semiconductor excellence, its strategic initiatives, and the exciting developments at the event. Semicon 2023 is the vibrant hub where India's semiconductor capabilities take center stage. With an impressive lineup of keynote speakers and influential startups, this event leaves an indelible impact on the semiconductor industry. Renowned companies back this grand gathering, propelling India's technological advancements. The Gujarat government is at the forefront of fostering domestic semiconductor chip manufacturing. During the event, they unveiled the Semiconductor Policy, 2022 to 2027, a strategic initiative that reflects their unwavering commitment to accelerate inclusive growth in the industry. Our semiconductor mission is not just meeting domestic requirements, it is also about contributing to the global demand for trusted manufacturing, says Dr. S. Jaishankar. India's semiconductor prowess extends far beyond its borders, driving innovation on the world stage. Foxconn's CEO, Young Liu, reinforces their unwavering commitment to India's semiconductor sector vision. With a staggering $2 billion investment planned over 5 years, Foxconn's contribution is set to bolster India's semiconductor landscape.